This short guide will walk you through how to integrate ClickUp with GitLab. If you're looking to streamline your project management and development workflow, connecting these two powerful tools can make a significant difference. By integrating ClickUp with GitLab, you can easily sync tasks, track progress, and enhance collaboration between your development and project management teams. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your ClickUp account. If you're not already familiar with ClickUp, it's a versatile project management tool that allows you to manage tasks, track project timelines, and collaborate with your team all in one place. Once logged in, navigate your way to the App Center. You'll find the App Center by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the bottom left corner of the screen, which will open up a menu. From this menu, select the App Center. The App Center is where you can find various integrations and apps that can be connected to your ClickUp workspace to enhance its functionality. Once you're in the App Center, the next step is to locate GitLab among the list of available apps. GitLab is a web-based DevOps lifecycle tool that provides a Git repository manager, offering source code management and CI/CD pipeline features. It's widely used by development teams to manage their code repositories and automate the software development process. In the App Center, scroll through the available integrations or use the search bar to quickly find GitLab. When you see GitLab in the list, click on it to proceed with the integration process. After selecting GitLab, you'll see an option to connect. Click the Connect button to start linking your ClickUp account with GitLab. This action will redirect you to a new page where you'll need to log into your GitLab account. If you don't have a GitLab account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Simply follow the prompts to set up your account if necessary. Now, let's talk about authorizing the link between ClickUp and GitLab. Once you're on the GitLab login page, enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in will prompt GitLab to request your permission to authorize ClickUp to access certain information. This step is crucial as it allows ClickUp to pull in relevant data from GitLab, ensuring that your tasks and projects stay in sync. Review the permissions being requested, and, if everything looks good, click the Authorize button to finalize the connection. With ClickUp and GitLab now connected, you can begin to experience a more integrated workflow. Tasks in ClickUp can be automatically updated based on activity in GitLab, such as commits, merges, or other project changes. This means you'll spend less time manually updating statuses and more time focusing on the work that matters. Additionally, your development team can continue to use GitLab as their primary tool, while project managers and other stakeholders keep track of progress within ClickUp. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated ClickUp with GitLab. This connection not only boosts productivity, but also enhances transparency across teams. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions during the process, you can always refer to ClickUp's Help Center or GitLab's support resources for additional guidance. Thank you for watching this tutorial on integrating ClickUp with GitLab. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to make the most of these powerful tools working together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your workflow. Happy integrating!